then, I recommend.
Stand up daw, tingin doon. Tingin dito, sa camera.
Smile.
Nice.
Tapos ma'am, after dito ka?
Hindi. Family muna kami, tapos dalawang atay.
What's that? Eh, wala eh.
Hindi nagkasya.
Isang legs lang eh. Okay, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, smile!
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, say cheese! O, di ka na. Hindi ka natingin. Alright, ready? Then 3, 2, 1, say cheese! Dali ma'am, yung buhok mo.
Ay, ano?
First take.